We will talk about how to render only updated values and not re-render same value in React, because re-rendering could slow down the speed. To do this, we will apply concept of pure component. The pure component re-render only updated values. So basically we are going to do these four concepts in this video. First, we are going to make a pure component. To make a pure component, go here in source folder, type anything as your name, .js, and type here RPCE. This is pure component. We don't need this export. Okay, now type here what? Pure component. Next step, we will make a regular component. So come here, new file, regular component.js. Make here normal class RCE. Here we have made a pure component class. So here we have import React pure component and extends from pure component, but this is regular class which we use on normal basis. So here that is extends from component and import React and component. Let's give here regular component. Okay, now we will pass a changing value to both regular component and pure component, and we will give instruction to re-render after some time. And now we are going to see that pure component will not re-render unless it will got some updated values, and regular components will re-render according to given instructions. Let's see. For doing this, make a parent component here. So parent component.js RCE. We don't need this export button. Import that regular component and pure component. So here import component from regular component, copy this and import pure component also. Pure. Then here make a constructor to made a state here. So here I am typing rconst, then give here some value, like value just like 25, then we will change to 100 here. So to change, just type here component did mount, then set an interval on which you have to re-render the updated values. So set interval, make a function here. What is this? Dot set state. The new value, we are going to update the value to 100. Okay, our first value is 25. Now we are going to update the value to 100. In which second? We are going to update the value in 5 seconds, so 5000. Now just pass this value into regular component and pure component and see the magic. So regular component value is equal to this dot state dot, this is what? Value. Okay, now same we have to pass in the pure component also. So pure component. Okay, now come in your first pure component and just render this here. Sorry, not render, just type this here, this dot props dot value, and this value is going to render. Okay, and one more thing here, just type here what? Console dot log what? This is pure component. Okay, to identify when which value is going to update, how many times this value is going to update, means how many times this pure component is going to render. If pure component will render one time, then this will print one time. If pure component is going to render all the time, then this will print in the console portion. So here one more thing, here we have to do same thing in regular component also to differentiate between this regular component and pure component. So here same thing, console dot log, but this is what regular component. Here a render console dot log regular component. Same thing you have to do in parent component to see how many times this parent component also, because this parent component is also going to render, but see how many times you're going to render. Just open here, refresh it. This is not showing anything because we have not yet mentioned in app.js parent component. So here import parent component from parent component and just type here what parent component, save it, come here, just refresh it here. Okay, now see here we have the regular component and pure component. It will update after 5 seconds. Now it is updated to 100, and here you could see here once again parent, regular and pure, but here you could see after updating pure component is not rendering, only parent and regular component is rendering. Means pure component is rendering only to updated values. Once more again see here parent, regular and pure to this value, then to update value here parent, regular and pure, but now pure will not render. Now pure is not rendering because its work has been done. There is no new value here, only parent and regular is rendering. Hope so you understand it, that how to render only updated value and not render same value in React. Thank you.